Hello, I am Will, and I'm a business owner, and I'm on my way to become a Linux system administrator. I'm currently running my own business, which is a bagel shop and a sandwich shop and a coffee shop in the same time, three in one. I always wanted to get into IT, to get into the computer in general for the longest time because I did that before already. I did that as working for people, and I actually took a computer science degree also a bunch of years ago. But I still ended up doing my own business, not in that career. I always wanted to go back to it at some point, and I found this particular opportunity. I think fits me very good for a lot of reasons. You know, I can work from home. Probably, I can have another tool in my pocket to do something else beside my business that can give me more flexibility to work some decent job anywhere I want, even from home. I'm so ecstatic that I'm so happy. Can't believe I'm more than halfway, a little bit more than halfway in the class right now, and it's been proven to me every day goes by that I that it's amazing. It's fantastic. I like it. It fits me right. The school is great. Everybody's helpful, and the class structure and everything else is really to the point. And it seems like it's definitely gonna get me somewhere with this new career. The challenge is the time. That's for sure. The time is the biggest challenge because I still have to dedicate a good bunch of hours every day. Time really is the hardest thing. Yeah, I mean, I can really be the best one to advise a lot of people about this because I had went through the 4 year degree twice, not once, twice. Education is great, but it's really not to the point. It gives you the very first steps on the door, maybe. It doesn't really qualify you very good. Now I'm halfway through this class, or a little bit over halfway through the class. I feel like I'm almost qualified to be a Linux admin, but for 2 4 year degrees before that didn't give me that satisfaction, didn't give me that feeling, didn't give me this motivation, didn't give me this, really eagerness. A program like this will help a lot of people with the long time ago degrees or with no degrees at all, and with those who wants to really get the knowledge that gonna qualify you to get the job.